Namaste everyone and welcome to the new episode of Breaking It Down of Bharat Bhagyavidhata. Today we are going to speak about an announcement which the best CM in the world, Sri Uddhav Thackeray, has made in the afternoon, that the car shade of metro will be transferred from RA Colony to Kanjurmarg, and we are going to analyze this decision. This decision is going to do three things. First, it has a clear nod from the high level committee which was formed by Uddhav Thackeray himself. So it got a nod, the RA car shed got a nod from this high level committee, and it said that due to the level of construction already constructed in the RA car shed, it was not financially and infrastructurally and structurally, architecturally feasible to transfer this car shed anywhere else. The Bombay High Court gave a clearance to cut some amount of trees in the place. It was not a forest area. It was not designated as a forest area. The same was reiterated by the Supreme Court, but because everyone is above the Supreme Court and you have to satisfy some people's ego in your government, they have changed it to Kanjurmarg. They have denied the Supreme Courts, the Bombay High Courts and their own formed committees' reports to shift this thing to Kanjurmarg. So first of all, it's an ego problem for this government when they shift the car shade from RA Colony to Kanjurmarg. The second problem this is going to cause is delay in the whole metro project. Now the metro project, when it is planned, and to refer it to, because I am not a metro expert here, Ashwini Bhide, who is an IAS officer who had spoken in Vile Parle Manch. There is a video available and the link of that video will be given in the description. And she had spoken extensively about why RA was a proper structure, and her reasoning was that it's metro line, especially when your transportation is fixed on some rail lines and it cannot move freely in roads and on air or water. The depot or the metro car shade is not an isolated piece of structure or infrastructure in this project. The whole line is constructed around that depot. So arbitrarily transferring that depot is going to cause you delay. That delay is in turn going to cause a lot of traffic. That traffic is going to in turn cause a lot of pollution, and that pollution is in turn going to cause a lot of environmental degradation, which was the basic point of people who were against the RA car shed, that this project is going to environmentally degrade Mumbai's environment. Alright, it's going to degrade Mumbai's environment, right? So shifting this project from RA Colony to Kanjurmarg is going to do nothing else. Alright, that's the second point, that is going to cause delay and it's not going to fulfill the purpose which protesters essentially protested against. The third thing here is taxpayers' valuable money. Transferring the project from a place which is in the extreme west of Mumbai to the extreme east of Mumbai is going to be a costly affair. Whose money is going to be spent? It's going to be BMC, it's going to be MMRDA, and it's going to be state government. BMC recently gave a report that we are bankrupt and that's why we are not able to build a jumbo COVID facility. So state government, please give us money. Alright, so BMC is bankrupt already. Then MMRDA gets funds from state government and the civic bodies. So MMRDA doesn't essentially have its own funds. Now will come to the state government. State government is already complaining about the GST dues which were already paid in September and last year and this year also. So state government is essentially bankrupt also, that they don't have money to build even the basic facilities for COVID. There's an oxygen shortage for which the state government is not able to pay, and there are so many other things. So when there are so many financial problems in front of the bodies which you control, they are just adding to their expense. And why this exercise? After the Supreme Court, Bombay High Court, your committee report, everyone just said that okay, this is a perfect place to build a RA metro facility. Then what is the problem? The problem is that you had taken help of some NGOs, some civil society groups, to propagate a kind of agenda against the current government which you were sitting, which you had your environment minister, and so on and so forth. So it is just an ego problem. So this ego problem is going to cause the Mumbaikars a lot of traffic. because of lot of traffic, lot of pollution, is going to defeat the purpose of why RA was protested in the first place. It's going to cost Mumbaikars a lot of money because government has to bring money somewhere from somewhere. So yeah, that is the analysis for the shifting of RA car shade from RA to Kanjurmarg. Thank you.